Welcome back, everyone. We are going to talk about angles, degrees, and minutes today. The big thing to know, especially when you are a welder, is that degrees play a very important role to us. When you are doing stuff like structural bevels and V-grooves, or if you're a pipe welder, these type of things are extremely important, especially when it comes to our codes. Now the first thing I'm going to show you, which is right in front of you, is just a simple V-groove with an open root. This one has been drawn to show a feathered edge. We will come back to what feather edge, razor edges, root faces, and all that mean. But at this moment, we are simply just going to look at degrees and their angles and what everything is talking about. Now the first thing I want to talk about what a bevel angle is. A bevel angle is when something has been beveled on one side or one existing part, and it is just talking about half of a full V groove or a U groove or a J groove or something like that. Well, J groove's one side. And this is only covering part of it. So if you read a full V groove like this one with a bevel angle of 30.25, what they are telling you is that one side has been beveled 30.25 and the other side will also be beveled 30.25. Most time they will give you a full groove angle of what the whole thing is, and just so you know what you're looking for. But this is what sometimes they are talking about, and sometimes they will do it. I have seen it on a few job sites, so I wanted to kind of go over it so you are aware of what they're talking about. Now here you can actually see the full groove angle, which is at 60.5 degrees. So the other one was 30.25, this one is 60.5, so the two of them are added together and you get your full groove angle. Now let's rewrite this with degrees and minutes. Now this is 60 degrees and 30 minutes, or 60.5 degrees. They're both the same way, just written differently. The big thing to understand when it comes to degrees and minutes is that for every degree, there are 60 minutes in it. And when you write that, half of a degree, which would be 0.5, half of 60 is 30. It's just a different conversion. If you were to look at other stuff that's more technical, like longitude, latitude, and some of the stuff that do with aerospace and ships, they use more of degrees and minutes because it could be a lot more precise. Alright, so before you I got 52.20 degrees and 18.40 degrees. Now how do I convert these into degrees and minutes? The first thing to realize is that the first two numbers are whole numbers. They are whole degrees. And the back half are what would actually make up your minutes, the ones that are behind the decimal point. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to look at my whole numbers, so my 52 and my 18, which are my whole degrees, and I'm going to write them down with the degree symbol, just like this. From there, I need to convert my decimal points into minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is turn 0.20 degrees into minutes. The first thing and the only thing we have to do is just do 0.20 times 60, which will give us 12 minutes. We can do the same thing for 0.40, just times it by 60, and you get 24 minutes. Alright, so let's write these down, and you can see 52 degrees, 12 minutes, 18 degrees, and 24. It really was just sliding the whole numbers over and taking the decimal point, timesing it by 60, and then making it into minutes. It's very simple, very easy to go, but if you have any more questions about it, please comment below and let me know. I hope you have a great day.